Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free, and I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well first, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here with you, and I will show you how you can create a KDP book cover step by step with canva.com. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. I've just right now to sign up, but before let's know what is Canva firstly. So Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers as well. Without needing any design experience, it's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has already made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So let's just come back to the top and you have find here two buttons, one of sign up and one of log in, and you have just to link your information such as email address and your password. Then you get started with canva.com. I already have an account, that's why you will just click in the top right in the profile here, and I will click over home. Then you will find this page. So I will click over home, then you will find this page as you can see, and this is the template that and this is the platform that could help you to design your template as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just here search or just sign up and you'll find this page. Then I will just dive into KDP book cover template and I will click over the first one. Why we use this one? Because if we come back here in the Canva and we click over create design, you will find here custom size, and you will find here the width, the height, and also the units, if it's inches, millimeters, or centimeters. And you have just to add all these things as you can see. This is why we use this one. It's just to find out the exact dimension of your cover. Use the calculator. You can also download a template, PDF, and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hardcover and paperback by clicking over here to know more information about hardcover and paperback and how it works with the both. And right now we have just to complete the fields below here. You have to enter your book information such as bind and type. I will select for example paperback or hardcover. I will select for example hardcover. Then about enter your type, I will select by white, premium color, or standard color. Then about paper type, I will select white paper. Weight and direction, I will select left to right to left. About measurement units, I will select here inches. About interior size, I will select for example 6:9, and I will have here page count, number of pages at your formatted font size. I will select 100 for example. Then I will just click over calculate dimensions. Then you will find a page, which is this one as you can see. Here we have various things. For example, if we click over full cover, we have both the information about full cover, total width and height of the cover, file including font, back, spine, and wrap. So this is the one that we need to complete it and to put it here. For example, we have here 13.998. I will just put it here, 13.900.998. About height, you remember it? So if you remember, to have just helped me to remember it, I forget it. So we'll just come back. It's 10.417. Is it correct? This is the one that you told me. 10.417. 10. It's right. Right now, I will just click over here and I will select inches, and I will click over create new design. And right now, I will just come back and I will download this template, and here we have it. And I will just click over save here, and I will just come back to the Canva, and here we have it as you can see. Right now, you have just to go to the uploads, then you have to upload files as you can see, and you will find here various things. You can just select here all files, and this is for today. I will select this one for example. Then you will find your template here. So right now we'll just go to download to see this template that we select here, and I will just click over here to see the template how it looks. And here we have the KDP book cover how it looks right now. Have just to get started with Canva and design this template. Right, so it's easy. You have just to follow the steps to get it started. I didn't put it here because I will just show you the step that you could help you design your template. You can use here design. You have just to search for KDP book as you can see. If you don't like this one, you have just to search for KDP book, and you will find here the templates that could help you. For example, I will select this one as you can see. As you can see, we have this one as you can see, and you put it in the same size. About elements we have here also, you can just search for KDP book. KDP book, right? And here we have photos. You have just to select the photos and you have to scroll down and you select, for example, this one. If you click here, double click, you'll find here other thing, for example, about the crop. You'll find here smart crop, as you can see. And here we have it, how it looks. You can just, if you click, double click, and you want to rotate it, you click over here to rotate this one. And here we have how you can rotate it, right? And right now you have just to modify the size. For example, here you can put it like that. About the size, I'll put it like that, as you can see. And here we have how it looks. I'll put it here like that in the middle. Alright, right now if you want to add a text, you click over text and you add here a text box. If you want to add a hidden, add a subheading, a little bit of added text. Also we have here font combinations if you want to add, for example, this one. And here we have it, how it looks. But also we have print if you want to add logos, if you want to upload something or recording yourself. About background, we have here this one. As you can see, you can just modify the background and the size of this background. I select this one. Then also we have here drawing. If you want to draw, you can just select the color that you want and you start drawing. And also we have other options such as project, application, and QR code as well. All right, so this is it. If you did a mistake, you have just to come back here by clicking over window, and this is the first look. And then you have just to click over share in the top right, and you start sharing your template by copy the link, or you can just download a template, and you'll find here various options that could help you. For example, you have just to select the size, and also we have a preference, limit file size, compress file transparency, and you start download your template. As you can see, you can just make here this one. Anyone can access the design using this link, no sign required, or you can just only can access design using this link, or you can just add people, groups, or team. And also we have here other option, which is public view link, simple booklet flip, and other options that could help you if you want to present entry card, present template link, copy the clipboard, save to folder, center phone and embed, and also website. And here we have also zoom in and zoom out, also thumbnail view if you want a great view, and also present full screen, and also if you want to ask someone for something. For example, you have just to click how to create a KDP book, then you will find your answer. As you can see, to create, you have just in the editor file and select create new design, choose the custom size. Once your design is ready, you have just to customize it with the text, images, as I show you. Here we have the text, elements, design, and the persons that could help you. You can just right now click on create new design and you get started with this one. And this is also that could help you for asking everything, Canva, and you get started with this one. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.